Clare's Tomato by Ed Keller. About the author, Edward Keller. Ed Keller received his bachelor's degree in 1976 in secondary education and his master's in curriculum and instruction from West Virginia University in 1985. He taught in Monongalia County, West Virginia, 26 years at the elementary, secondary, and graduate level. During this time, he developed 3 science activity kits available nationwide for teachers. He also presented over 40 workshops at the local, state, and national levels and published 17 papers. Keller spent 16 summers working on National Science Foundation grants, the first dealing with developing materials and instructional strategies and teaching marine biology to disabled high school students at Wallops Island, Virginia. The second one involved designing activities and teaching geology to West Virginia public school teachers at what was fondly referred to by the teachers as Rock Camp. Keller's efforts have been recognized at the local, state, and national level. In 1986, he received the National Science Foundation's Presidential Award for Excellence in Science Teaching, and in 1990, he took home the first Milken Family Foundation Distinguished Educator Award in West Virginia. In 1991, he was honored with the West Virginia Distinguished Educators Fund's Elementary Educator Merit Award and the West Virginia University College of Human Resources and Education Alumni Association's Award for Distinguished Achievement in Classroom Teaching. Keller retired in 2001 but had one more honor coming. In 2004, he was selected as a member of the first class of the West Virginia University College of Human Resources and Education Hall of Fame. Today, you will find him at home either making jewelry or writing. Get a copy of Clare's Tomato